Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing the Goldfish Challenge! We have not seen any of our flavors, so hopefully we'll guess right. Let's get started.
Okay guys, first up is this delicious goldfish. Alright, go ahead, Noodle boys.
I can't feel it. What?
It's on your plate.
Oh, man.
It was on my plate. There we is.
Go eat it.
Original.
Original.
Definitely original.
Yeah, original. What?
Next up, we have, go ahead and try it.
Only to bring out.
Cookie? Cinnamon toast?
Cinnamon
Toast.
Next up is
Daddy,
delicious fish.
Dad,
I'm scared.
out there.
Can we? It smells spicy.
Go ahead.
It's either pizza or jalapeno.
Normal.
Normal, huh?
Noodle baby says
Pizza.
normal.
Pizza. What is this?
This is the next fish for your consideration.
Chocolate. I think it's chocolate.
No,
That's a lot of chocolate.
Cookie.
I don't think there's a cookie flavor.
For the Noodle boys' consideration, what do we think that one is?
Baby.
Baby.
Jalapeno. But I learned from the food grade.
Baby.
All right.
I knew it. Lord baby.
Next up,
What is this?
this deliciousness.
Can we eat it now?
Yep.
I wait in
Graham
You
cracker.
have a $4 graham cracker.
Exactly. Yeah.
We always graham cracker.
Fish.
This round,
Yeah.
we have this flavor.
What is this?
Normal? Yeah, original. Original.
Baby. What the heck is the baby flavor?
It's like the normal one.
Baby, whatever that is.
Baby is a flavor without it's a goldfish. Flavorless goldfish. Yes.
Flavorless goldfish.
Can we eat it?
For your consideration, that delicious flavor.
The idea.
Cupcake.
Noodle baby.
Cupcake.
Cupcake. Noodle boy.
Cupcake.
Cupcake. Getting down to the last couple rounds. One,
Can feel it.
2, 3.
Oh yeah, definitely pretzel.
Yeah, pretzel. Pretzel. Oh, we always pretzel.
For this round, we have that.
Chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
Yeah, dark chocolate.
Hershey chocolate.
Last, but hopefully not least, this wonderful flavor.
Mint.
Mint.
Yeah, mint.
Mint. Mint.
Yeah.
All three say mint. You guys ready for your results?
Yep.
Okay, for round one, all three decided it was original. The actual goldfish was saltine.
What?
Like a saltine cracker. That would be the flavorless that you're talking about.
Yeah, that was a little flavorless.
Round two, all three thought it was cinnamon toast. The actual flavor was French toast.
We'll give him that one though.
We'll give a half a point each person.
I did that.
Third round that gets pizza.
Round three,
Happy?
Noodle Boy
I want it.
guessed pizza.
Give me.
Noodle Kid guessed pizza. Noodle Baby guessed normal. Actual flavor,
Pizza.
pizza.
That's actually a good flavor.
I thought it was normal because I have the normal diet.
Because it was kind of like cheese.
Hey.
For round 4, Noodle Boy guessed chocolate. Noodle Kid guessed dark chocolate. Noodle Baby guessed cookie. The actual Goldfish was pretty close. It was s'mores.
So
What?
me, us three got. Actually, no, yeah.
I know what you guys actually got.
your cup.
Here,
Us three
let's
got
go.
half a point. Us three got a half a point. So we're on 1 point. We're tied.
All right. For round 5,
You got half point.
Noodle Boy guessed jalapeno.
I forgot
Noodle
about the
Kid
Parmesan.
guessed baby. What flavor is baby?
It's a flavorless.
It's a flavorless.
It's like a miniature almost volcano.
What do you say, baby?
And
Baby.
Noodle Baby guessed jalapeno. The actual flavor is Parmesan cheese.
No jalapeno whatsoever.
It was a little spicy.
Not even spicy.
Not even spicy.
It had a lot of salt on it though. It must have had a
Salt
lot of
isn't
spice.
spicy.
For round 6,
Shout.
all 3 guessed graham cracker. The actual flavor is cinnamon graham cracker.
We'll give it.
We'll give a point to each. Round 7, Noodle Boy guessed pizza. Noodle Kid guessed original. And Noodle Baby guessed pizza. The point goes to Noodle Kid for original cheddar.
Dang it, Chris is ahead of us.
Yeah, put
Uh-huh.
your hand down.
So round 8,
He changed his mind.
all 3 Noodle Boys guessed cupcake. The actual flavor, vanilla cupcake. Apparently you guys have eaten enough cupcakes in life to know what that one is.
Gee, why?
Thank you, Noodle Mommy. Round 9. All 3 guessed pretzel. The actual flavor,
Pretzel.
pretzel.
Yay.
What gave it away?
The crunchiness and the salt.
The salt and crunchiness and the fact that it tasted like a pretzel?
Yeah.
Tastes that much like
It tastes like a
it's
black.
crunchy. It's
All right,
crunchy.
round 10.
And I.
Noodle Boy guessed dark chocolate.
It's not that.
Noodle Kid said Hershey's chocolate. Noodle Baby said dark chocolate. The actual flavor, fudge brownie.
What?
So anybody who guessed chocolate will give half a point.
I guess chocolate.
Okay.
Hershey chocolate.
Round 11. All 3 guessed mint. Actual flavor, chocolate mint.
Guess what? Noodle Mommy's not sharing.
Noodle Mommy has claimed chocolate mint for herself.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below what you would like us to do next. And as always, please smash that like button and subscribe for more Noodle Family action. Goodbye.
Bye.
Can you tie it a little tighter? Little poodle. Not that tight. Little poodle. My ear hurts.